Buy your toothpaste, Mia.
Give me the money.
Buy whatever you want.
Why do I get $20?
Do not argue. Go to your favorite supermarkets now!
That hateful supermarket, there's nothing fun there.
I hate this bright place.
I'm coming for that robot! Get away!
You are silly boy. Why are those rolls of paper blocking my way? This tower is stupid! Move out of way! You walk entirely slow. I'll mix them together. This looks entirely terrible!
Oh no! Look at this mess!
I was just racing my bike for a bit, but I tipped it over. Uncle, please clean it up for me. The strawberries look delicious. Scan my stuff entirely. Let's see if there are any discounts today. Good morning, big supermarket. I'll buy bread. An adorable toy duck. Please do not cry. Whoever dropped it, I'll pick it up. I should clean up. This orange looks delicious.
Oh no!
Here is your lemon. Let me help you, Grandpa. Here is your medicine.
Thank you, my dear. This is the daily dose of medicine for my grandfather's high blood pressure.
You fold your towel, and I'll quickly fold mine too, then we'll go for a swim. Okay. What fun thing shall I do today?
Not anymore, tiny baby. This is my spot. We are using this chair. You are incredibly mean.
We were here first. told you to throw away my towel! I'm gonna go wild in the pool today.
Hey, that's not fair. You stole my chair. I make the rules. Keep quiet and go somewhere else.
Let us just go.
She is detestable.
Try the banh mi Dad made and see how it tastes.
Yes, Dad. I hate that dish. Picnics are so boring. I'm gonna break it. I hate their noise.
Hey, kid, let me borrow this for a sec.
Even if you don't give it to me, I'll take it anyway.
You are a bully. It wasn't anything interesting, so I returned it.
Do not litter here! Why are you throwing trash in the pool? It will cause pollution!
It is just plastic.
Why are you throwing trash in the pool? Use the trash can.
Stay near the shallow edge.
I do not need silly floaties. Help me!
People could actually die.
Do you need sunscreen? You are a lifesaver.
Try this pool noodle. Thank you so much. What do you want? Why act so mean? Being alone is exhausting. Stop! Don't step there! It's slippery.
You saved me from a bad fall.
You did great today. Huh. Thank you for helping him.